My story is a journey of 10 years in robotics, coding, AI, with both wins and losses. Over the past few years, I've created several projects, including AI integration projects and engineering research projects. Now, I'm working as a principal scientist at Sftwtrs.a. Today, I'll be sharing the long journey that took me from school to Champlain College and turned me into an AI scientist. It all began back in 4th grade at the Heritage School when I had the option to choose my work experience classes between sports and robotics classes. Of course, I chose robotics. These classes were conducted by none other than the CEO of Avishkaar himself, Tarun sir, my first mentor. Those early days were an immersive experience. We talked about robots, gears, moving parts, and mechanics. I reached a point where I started enjoying building robots more than playing games. In 4th grade, I entered my first Avishkaar competition and secured 2nd place, even though there were many participants who were more experienced than myself. From that moment on, I knew there was no looking back. I returned every year with something new. In 9th grade, my team and I innovated a smart, self-filtering water bottle called Dana, which stood for the initials for all of my 4 childhood friends who helped me build it. With this project, I learned the importance of collaboration and problem solving, which sparked a deep interest in coding, AI, and robotics. It showed me how tech could solve real-world problems, even something as simple as ensuring clean drinking water. Following that, I completed my double major in cybersecurity and digital forensics at Champlain College, Vermont, during which I developed several innovative tech solutions, including AI malware report generation and count magic. This project underscored the power of technology to simplify learning and deepened my appreciation for the potential of AI. Building robots taught me discipline and focus, which helped me not only excel professionally but also socially. Through my experiences at Avishkaar, I also gained the confidence to present to large audiences, which made conversations with clients or investors much easier. Lastly, I have one piece of advice for everyone watching. Be open and explore all possibilities. Try, test, struggle, fail, and succeed. It's all about finding your passion in this technologically driven world. We've been born with gadgets, so why not learn through them and make the most of what we have? Maybe one day you'll create something unimaginable and change the world. Thank you.